Hi, today we are going to discuss about plant layout in production management. So first we going to discuss about meaning of plant layout. So plant layout is nothing. It is allocation of space in industry. So like machinery, men, raw materials. So how they are allocating their workspace in industry, like that. So here they given meaning for a plant layout, that is most of effective physical arrangement. So physical means it includes machines, equipment and service departments. So men, materials, machines and methods in a plant. So next one is definition of plant layout. So layout identically involves the allocation of space and arrangement of equipment in such a manner that overall operating costs are minimized. So using of space, it will be reducing the operating cost also. So next one is objectives. So objectives, so why they are going, so why they are planning plant layout in industry, that is first thing is to achieve handling of raw materials. So handling of raw materials, it will be very common for every industry. So once they using raw materials, it will be kept near to the working area. So there is a minimum travel, that is machinery to raw material. So minimum distance will be there in the working area. And second is quantum of working process. And third one is availability floor space, that is the optimum utilization. And fourth one is to minimize bottlenecks, so there is no traffic in the flow of working process or a production process. And fifth one is system production control, so there is no wastage in the production process. And sixth one is safety and provision of amenities. So what are all the facilities have to given workers, it will be in the same floor or same working area itself. And seventh one is better quality products at a lesser cost. And eighth one is loyalty of workers and improving their morale. And ninth one is to minimize the possibility of accidents. And tenth one is storage and packing facility, it will be adequate. So next one is principles of plant layout. So certain rules is which will be followed in the plant layout. And first thing is minimum movement. So already we discussed materials and labor should be moved over minimum distance. So they, if it is a minimum distance, means there is a easy to carry over their raw materials, and easily they can produce in the products. So there will be a minimum movement of materials and labor. So next one is space utilization, so both horizontally and vertically, so they will be utilizing their space in proper manner. And third one is flexibility. So flexible means adapted to change or expansion or technological development. So layout should be a flexible manner. So if they want additional machineries or additional technologies, so that they will be comfortable within a particular layout. And fourth one is interdependencies. So interdependence means approximately to each other, so close to all other operations to minimize the product travel. And fifth one is overall integration. So overall integration means, so all the particular process in a same floor or particular working area itself, so it will be reducing the cost of production. So there is no need to shift over to the another floor like that. Next one is principle of safety. So safety means workers safety will be comfort in the particular industry. And next one is smooth flow. So smooth flow means to reduce work bottlenecks. So there is a no need of raw materials is not there, like that uh, there is a problem like that. So the industry should avoid the traffic in the particular production process. So there will be availability of raw materials in every time, so that their production process will be going on without any stoppage. And next one is principle of economy. So economy means so they have to be invest their machinery or equipment or men or anything like that. It will be future purpose only. So once the investment is in a proper manner. So next one is principle of supervision. A good layout should facilitate effective supervision over workers. And last one is principle of satisfaction. So good layout will boost up the employee morale by providing them with the maximum work satisfaction. So these are all the principles in plant layout. Thank you.